Welcome back. In this video, we're going to start the practical side of the product and service duplication phase on the My SME Manual. And the goal of this video is to set up your patterns on your My SME Manual that you can get your thoughts on paper and see how to go about setting up a proper package. So let's jump over to the My SME Manual. We're at 3.7 now, which is my product and service delivery strategy. And remember now, we did the pricing formula in module 1. So by now you should know exactly how this formula looks. I've just added this as an example. And you should populate package 1, 2, and 3 based on the projections we've already done in module number 1. We're going to go down to 3.7.2, which is your production phase. You've got to ask yourself now, when I think of packages and creating my packages, what's included, what's the pricing, what's the production steps, the time frames, as well as the accessibility, and is there a way that I can create a template or a pattern that I can duplicate the same product or service more than once? And where can I then distribute this product or service to make sure that I maximize my opportunities? So let's quickly dig in here and see how we can do the shoe idea practically. At package number 1, we're going to say what's included. So I'm going to say what's included is obviously your custom shoe. That's number 1. We've got our 3 pairs of socks. And number 3, I can always include shoe care, which ensures that the client's shoe will stay in better quality for longer. Right. Then we get pricing, selling price. What's my selling price? So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to stick to the custom shoe, which is 2490. And the total profit will be 375. And my total expense is 2125. Right. Okay, so this is the start, just setting up the pricing. Now we're going to go to production. So I would then take a look at what's the full process. The key here is to unpack the process in steps, to make sure that you get a full understanding of the operational process you're looking at. So step 1 will definitely be a shoe fitting. That's my first step. My second step will be a draft idea, I almost want to say, or in other words, ultimately what you want to do here is you want to manage the expectation. Right, so that's what I want to do here. In other words, I want to give the client an idea of what's coming. If he's happy and he signs off, then I'm going to go to step 3, which will be creating the shoe. Right, step 4 will be fitting, specialized fitting to make sure that the client's happy with the shoe. And 5 will be giving him all his accessories to keep the shoe healthy. Right. Now let's say, for example, this is going to take from after the shoe fits, the whole creating of the shoe will take 7 working days. So I'm gonna type in there 7 working days. Accessibility, it will only be accessible in the beginning for the people in Bellville and Cape Town. Right. Template, can I create a template? I can definitely create a paper system that explains the step-by-step process to create the shoe in depth. I will also then create, let's say, 100 shoe soles at different sizes, or 100 shoe bottoms at different sizes to ensure that the rest of the process is easier. So that's the idea of a pattern. How can I create a skeleton or the outside structure that will make the process so much easier to do over and over and over. So if I create 100 shoe bottoms, or I can say 100 shoe, what's the right word? 100 shoe, let's say bodies. Let's say bodies, then I can easily create that and duplicate it. And now I can employ somebody because the hard work or the bulk's already finished. Okay, distribution will be easy. It's going to be through my shop in the mall. And then the next part will be distributing throughout South Africa. Right, there you go. In a nutshell, this was a very quick video to explain how to complete this process. Ultimately, the duplication or the pattern, this is the absolute key at this part of the manual. How can I create a pattern or a template to duplicate the same product or service more than once? That I don't do the hard work from scratch over and over and over. A good example will be the template that you're currently working on, the My SME Manual. This is a template, and I've created this template which I can duplicate easily and take 1,000 clients through, and I will get more or less the same result. I've even appointed coaches. They follow this template, this pattern, and they still get the same result with the clients because the result is in the template. It's not in the coach. If I can create this template to get the right result with you, I don't need the best coach. I can use an average coach and he will still get the best result because my template or my pattern gets the result and not my coach. In a nutshell, I hope this video was helpful for you. I will see you in the next video.